Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is, what is there next to move towards you? It's a pick a card reading, so you need to choose one card, whichever you are drawn towards. If you want to watch for multiple people, you can select multiple piles. So let's get into the reading. Pile number 1, who choose yellow pile. They're next to move towards you. So pile number 1, who choose yellow pile, they want to communicate with you. You may be not in a communication mode, or they are not expressing, even though if you are talking, they may be not expressing what they are exactly feeling. Here there is a message. They want to communicate with you, or they want to, either they want to call you or they want to send some message. But the thing is, they want to end that whatever blockage is there for that communication. Especially I think expressing their feelings. If they are not telling what is happening in their life or what they are thinking about your connection, now their next move is to come towards you and tell the things clearly, talk with you clearly, expressing themselves clearly regarding this connection. What exactly they are feeling, what they want to do, what they want, actions they want to take. Here I can see actions. They want to take actions. Maybe in the past they are not ready to do it, because in the past means it is 8 of Wands means 7 of Wands, which is having some difficulties. Maybe in your connection you both face some difficulties. Because of that, you maybe got some disturbances in your connection. So now their next move towards you is they want to close that. They want to build that bridge again. If at all you are not in a contact or communication, they want to build that bridge. And they want to tell you clearly what they are thinking, or what their next plans, what they want to do next regarding this relationship or connection. Finally, I can say, whether if you are worried in the past, if you are worrying that what is happening in this connection, because you don't know anything, they are not telling anything, or they are not expressing anything. Maybe you are putting a lot of efforts. So finally you are going to receive some message or communication where they will tell, I can say they will clear all your doubts. Whatever doubts you have regarding this connection, doubts, fears, whatever insecurities, whatever you may be facing in this connection, they will come, and either they will come, if they are not near, they will send you message or communicate with you and clear. Finally they will clear all those fears or doubts, whatever you have. You will get some relief, I can say. Maybe in the past you may be struggling because you don't know. 7 of Wands is a struggling card, having some disturbances, struggling. So finally you will get some relief from all those things. Finally you will get some picture. But here I can say that don't expect much, because it is 8 of Wands. If you are expecting something more, don't expect that, because here they will communicate and they will tell you what they want to do. So it may be whatever. If they want to continue it, they don't want to continue it, or they may be having some problems, so you need to wait for the things to happen. Whatever it may be. So here it is not that you are going to get full happiness. It is not the card of full happiness. Okay. So if at all you are having so many expectations, control your expectations, because here just you will get some communication from them. Their next move is just communicating with you, telling their what they are thinking or expressing their feelings. It may be good or bad. At least they are expressing. They are not keeping in a stuck way or hiding. It is not like Hanged Man position. So that you can make your own decisions based on that communication. You can take your decision. So here, that's why I am telling, don't expect much. It is just a communication. And so based on that you can take the decisions based on your relationship and your connection, and your life depends on your life situation. So here I am saying maybe you got so many obstacles. Seven of Wands is definitely it's a struggle card. You may be struggling a lot. Here that struggle will be gone. Their next move will clear that struggle, but don't expect much. Whatever communication you will receive, whatever message you will receive, give them some time, because it is, if you push them, it will become burden to them. So don't push them. Whatever they are telling, listen to them. Understand if at all you can. If you are not understanding, do what you want, but don't push them, because they are not ready to. Here I am sensing that they are not ready to do more except that communication. They are ready to communicate, nothing more than that. So you need to care. Don't push that person, whoever they may be. Let's move on to pile number 2, who choose red pile. What is their next move towards you? So pile number 2, the next move towards you is they want to give you commitment, unstable commitment, long-term commitment. If we are single, if you are a single person but you are in a relationship, maybe in the past you don't know what is their mindset, whether they are ready to commitment or not, but currently they are thinking about to take this step. Their next move is becoming committed to this relationship, or making this as a long-term commitment. Whatever connection, they want to make it as a long-term commitment. If you are not yet met with their family, they want to take you to their family and introduce you to their family, and they want to. It is 10 of Cups is a family card, so they want to take that step. They want to have that long-term commitment with you. So their next move is, maybe if you don't know that, if you are thinking that they are not going to commit in this connection, now their next move is they are going to commit. They are going to give you long-term commitment. They want to have this family, beautiful, happy family with you. So their next move towards you is, either if you don't know their family, they will plan to take you to meet their family members, introduce their family. If you already know, then their next move is directly long-term commitment, whether it is a marriage, some long-term commitment where you can live like a happy family life. So now pile number 2, it is depends on you, because this person is ready to give that commitment. If you are waiting for that commitment, go for it. If it depends on you also, I think here I am getting that message. Yes. Anyway, their next move towards you is taking this your connection to the next step, where it is ended with happy family life. So whatever is happening in this connection as of now, whether it is a good or bad, but their next move towards you is making it as a good thing, lifetime commitment thing, where they can have a beautiful, happy family with you, with emotions, with love, not with pentacles. If you are already in a commitment, I mean, if you are already in a marriage, you are looking for your spouse, partner, who are already in a long-term commitment, then this card indicates that maybe you are not spent time together from long time. So here now their next move is taking you to some trip where you can spend time with your family, with them, with your family, some happy moments, going out, vacation kind of thing, going to vacation where you can spend your time with your family members if you are already in a committed relationship. And if you are not having time to spend together, if you are not getting time to spend together, the next move is planning something where not just you, with whole family, you can spend some time on vacation, having some happy moments, creating some happy memories with family. If you are single and looking for commitment, then this person is ready to give that commitment. They are ready to commit for this family life. Take as it resonates, because it's a family card. So if you are committed, you are going to have some happy moments with your family. If you are not yet committed, you are going to get that commitment. So let's move on to pile number 3, who choose green pile. Their next move towards you. So pile number 3, their next move towards you is they want to break this relation or connection, whatever connection you may be having. They don't want to continue it. You may be having some differences from the past. It may be going on from the past in this connection, where two people are not accepting or not accepting each other's opinions. They have so many differences. They don't want to accept, or they don't want to come into some kind of compromising. So here one person is totally different, one other person is totally different with a different mindset. Two people are with different mindsets. So you may be having this kind of mental conflicts. It is not mental conflicts, it is like differences. You both may be having differences from very long, and it is continued because it is a 4 of Wands. Why I am telling very long means it is a 4 of Wands. It means it is a stable relationship. It is a long-term commitment, stable relationship like marriage. So it is a very long connection where two people are having lot of differences, but they are continuing it without breaking. But here their next move is they don't want to continue it anymore. It is reversed, means they want to break this connection. They don't want to continue in this connection. Maybe you both are not ready to accept the differences anymore. In the initial days maybe it was good, but now you both are not ready to continue this connection actually. It is a relationship. So you both are, even here I am saying both are not ready to continue this in this way. It is good actually. When both are having differences, you can sit and talk, but if it is not resolving, you are unable to resolve it, it is better to get apart. So here maybe this person is thinking in the same way. They want to end this. So now pile number 3, it just depends on you whether you want it or not, because this person next move is they want to break this and they want to end this connection. But here I can suggest you is one thing. I want to suggest one thing. See, if it is a long-term commitment also from 20 years, 30 years also, if you are feeling any kind of differences which are not affecting your mental health, emotionally it is not making you imbalanced, you can continue it, because those are everyone will have such kind of differences, but till what extent it is there, it is very important. If it is simply, it is not affecting your mental health, you may be having differences, but those are not affecting your mental health, emotional health, physical health, then you can continue it, nothing wrong. But if you think that this kind of differences affecting on your mental health as well as your emotional health, and simply when you are mentally get ill, definitely it will affect your physical health also. It is very high time to make a decision whether you need to continue it or not. It is very important, because here it is a common that we are living in a society where people try to convince us to stay in this kind of relationships. It happens. They simply tell us that we should stay in such kind of relationship because it is a very long-term connection, and it is the differences everyone will be having, we should continue it. We will get such kind of opinions from others. But it is totally depends on you. Whoever involved in this, you both people should sit and talk with each other. See, when you are getting apartments, it is nothing, it is not like that you are going any war and fighting and all those. Both people can sit with each other, talk to each other and understand whether it is really going to work out or not. If it is affecting any one partner mental health, or both are getting mentally affected, it is better to get apart. At least you need to take some time apart. You should give that privacy to each other. So after that you can decide whether you need to continue it or not. So maybe this person is, their next move towards you is breaking this. Maybe they want to get apart. So it depends on that again, whether they want to get apart completely or they want to just break this connection, or it is not break, like taking time out from this connection. It is very natural. We need to do that once. If anything is cannot handled, it is better to stay some time away. The problems will be get solved, half of the problems at least. After that you can decide what you need to do. So let's move on to pile number 4, who choose blue pile. So what is their next move towards you? So pile number 4, I don't think they will take any kind of move towards you, because this person is not feeling positive. It doesn't mean that they are feeling negative, but they are not interested in this. It is not connection. They are just simply feeling bored. They are not feeling enthusiastic or strong or positive. They are simply feeling bored. Maybe they are bored with their routines. Maybe your connection needs some refreshment, I can say. Maybe you need to spend some time together so that you can rekindle this relationship, whatever relationship. Because this person they are a very positive person, but as of now they are not interested in anything. They may be busy with something in their life, or at least as of now they don't want to focus on this relationship. So there is no question of their next to move towards you, because they are, I think, the sun in the upright is like bright card, very active card. It is in the reverse, means it is like boring card. They are not feeling uplifted. They are feeling bored. They are feeling like everyday routine life. They are not feeling any kind of newness. They are not feeling that brightness. Sun is a very bright card. Maybe they lost their inner child. they are not in that playful mood, or they are not in a, yeah, I can say that is playful mood. They are not in a mood to enjoy. They are simply feeling bored. Either, see, the thing is whether it is because of you or it is they are just busy with their routines. There may be different things. If they are bored means they may be busy with some other different things where they are not getting time to focus on this connection. So as of now it is like a resume mode, this connection. It is like they are taking break from this connection, I think. Because here I am not seeing any negative things. They are simply taking break from this connection. That is what, if they are busy with some other things and they are not getting time to focus on this connection. So their next move towards you means simply they are not taking any kind of move towards you. Or if at all you both have any kind of issues, or if people are not giving time to each other, it is a high time you should spend time with each other. You should spend some more time with each other, because it became very routine. It became very routine. That's why they are not, this person is not at all feeling any kind of newness in this connection or excitement. It is like routine thing. So if you want, this person is not going to make any move, because they are either they are not focusing on it, or they are just feeling routine. This connection also become their routine, I can say. So it is better if you want any kind of changes, you need to spend some time together. You need to spend more time. You should spend some more time together so that you can rekindle this connection. Nothing bad is happening actually in this connection. Everything is okay, because sun card is, whether it is upright or reverse, it is a positive card. But the thing is here, things get stagnant. Things got stagnant, so there is nothing is happening. And that's what I said. It is became like a routine. Like you wake up, you go to your job, you eat, you go to your job, you come, you eat, and you will sleep. So it became very routine. It needs some little bit of excitement. If you spend time together, if you give more time, if you spend more time with each other, you will get some little bit of excitement. You can create some excitement in this connection. So let's move on to pile number 5, which is white pile. So what is their next move towards you? So pile number 5, their next move towards you is they want to keep up this connection. They want to fight for this connection. In the past they may be not showing. The thing is actually they got this connection. Now they want to fight for that position. Maybe they don't know what happened in this connection, but now they are ready to fight for this connection. It is like they want to protect this connection or save this connection. If anyone is going against this connection, your family members or their family members or your friend circle, anyone is against this connection, they want to fight for this connection. They want to have this connection. They want to protect this connection. They don't want to lose this connection. So the next move towards you is protecting this connection. Whatever connection you may be having, they want to protect it. They don't want to lose that connection. Maybe you may be having so many problems. It is 7 of Rods, means like struggles, obstacles, facing obstacles. So here you may be having some problems from your circle, from the people, from your family or their family or friend circle, who are not accepting this relationship or connection. Even though if you are married people also, at home maybe you may be having some problems, issues with your family members, where you both people are getting disturbed, or your connection is getting disturbed because of those other things, other people's problems. So here their next move towards is they want to protect this connection. No matter what will happen, they don't want to lose this connection. Even though it is a family, they want to fight with their family to protect this connection. So in the past, it is not like they are not taking, because in the past means it is a 7 of wands means 6 of wands. They already got this connection. They already got successful. But the thing is, here they are struggling to keep that success, I can say. They want to keep this connection. They already got it. I think you already in the connection. You actually, the thing is, if both people are not having any problem, you are facing obstacles from others. It is not between you. It is because of other people. You may be facing some issues in that connection. So now this person next to move towards you is they want to fight for this connection. No matter who is coming, they want to take that step, and no matter how much hard work they need to put, they are ready to put, and they want to win. It is not win it, they already have it, they want to protect it. They don't want to lose that connection. Whatever connection you may be having, they don't want to lose this. So for that, they are ready to put that hard work, whatever efforts they needed to put. This is the next move towards you. So if at all facing any kind of issues regarding your connection, not between you, maybe you may be having some different obstacles. Now they are ready to put that efforts and clear those obstacles, I can say. They are very determined to fight for this connection, to keep this connection, to protect this connection, whatever connection you may be having. They want to protect it. They want to keep this. They don't want to lose it. And for that, they are ready to do anything. So their next move is saving this connection, protecting this connection. So thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in description box.